Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2017 420D MSport GRAN COUPE presented in Snapper Ox Blue. The vehicle's a facelift model, so you can see there the wonderful facelift front headlights, and I shall of course point out the rest of the facelift items as we make our way around. It does of course include a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit alongside a brand new set of 20-inch Mperformance style alloy wheels that do also include a set of 4 brand new tyres. Down the side you can see the BMW gloss black air breathers working really nicely with that full YNC Mperformance body styling kit. Some protection glazing on the rear windows, and again something that works well with that Snapper Ox Blue exterior colour is the very nice black Dakota leather, which will both drivers and passengers can enjoy the heated seats as well as the electric lumbar options. We've got the magnificent 8-speed sports automatic gearbox in this vehicle, and we shall of course take a further look at all of the interior details shortly. For rear passengers, you'll find a spacious and comfortable 3-seat ISOFIX rear bench with a central folding armrest, and of course it's an MSport model, so you get that wonderful darkened MSport headlining, which gives a really nice sporty look to the interior of a very striking looking car. Again, showing you off these wonderful 20-inch alloy wheels, which really do sit nicely on this vehicle. At the back, we've opted to go for the high gloss rear boot spoiler and then a matching rear diffuser. Opening up the tailgate, you can of course see there those really sharp looking LED facelift rear lights, and you do of course get a spacious boot on the GRAN COUPE alongside split folding seats, removable top and bottom partial shelves. Round onto the driver's side now, where again you can see how clean and tidy this vehicle is, alongside those additions working very nicely with the Snapper Ox Blue colour. We'll hop on board and I'm going to take you through a couple of this vehicle's major details all on the interior now. Beginning with the professional wide navigation and media screen, and of course getting the vehicle started up. Being that it is a facelift model, we do have a newer style iDrive, so everything is separated into nice little separated menus, making it that little bit easier to use. In terms of the sat nav, that's one of the easiest to use out there, if not the easiest. It also utilises real-time traffic updates to ensure you're on the fastest route possible. Heading back to the main menu once again, we'll take a look at the communication screen, which is of course where you'll pair your device for both Bluetooth, telephone and audio, as you can see on screen. Then heading back to the multimedia menu, which is, as you can see there, you've got a great amount of multimedia, USB, music collection, and then of course all your DAB listing as well. Down here we'll find the dual climate controls, also where you can activate these wonderful front heated seats. This is a low mileage car for the age. It's covered just over 29,000 miles. There is BMW service history on board as well, and we can go ahead and check that out now. As you can see there, all of the items are highlighted in green. The next service for this vehicle is due in 4,500 miles. And there you can see that service was carried out at BMW as well. So thank you once again for taking the time to watch one of our walk arounds. I do hope you've enjoyed it and of course been able to find it useful. If you would like some more information on this vehicle or any of our others for that matter, you can of course check out the links I'll leave for you in the description. From there, go through to the website, you can find out prices, funding options, along with some other important information for yourselves. Thanks guys, take care, and we'll hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.